I stay at school after school, but I couldn't because it only happens on Thursdays and Wednesdays. It's Friday, now the weekend. I just got home from a long day at school. January 8th, I'm pretty sure, or 15th, 2024. Yeah, that's me, baby! And also, I have a new puppy. I have to take care of him and my 2 cats. My dog is a pit bull. His name is Bowser. My kitty's a black cat. His name is Anubis. My kitty is a striped cat. His name is Biscuit. That's what I thought by.